Hey guys, in today's video we will show you how to download Ubuntu and install it in Windows. So first of all, open Microsoft Store and we will type Ubuntu. After that, we will see we have some options here. We will choose this one. And we will click on Get. Getting ready, checking dependencies. So we will give it a little time till it's downloading because it's getting the files ready. And after you install it, we need to be ready to open the command prompt in our Windows system. All right. So it's already done. After this, as we open our command prompt, we will type WSL shutdown. Alright, then you'll type and then we will type install distribution Ubuntu and this version. Yes. So as we can see, it will start to install it, and once it's 100% done, then it will be all ready for your PC. So, if this video has helped you, please hit the like and subscribe button, and we will see you in our next video. Thank you!